Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the GoPro Hero 9. Alright, so let's dig into it. I've got my Ronin Tactics knife here. Set a little link for you guys to check that out. Some good quality products. Alright, let's get into this. So this is ordered directly off of the website, GoPro. Some okay packaging here. Keep it safe. Alright, so here it is. Yeah, so this one was $349.99, and that's with their 1-year subscription to GoPro Plus, which basically gives you discounts and stuff like that on the different products that they offer. So here it is. Let's just take a look at the packaging. Very nice. Comes with this nice little case. So new stuff with this GoPro, 20 megapixel camera for photos, 5K at 30 frames a second, 4K at 60 frames a second, waterproof up to 33 feet. So a lot of really cool stuff you can do with this. It's probably their biggest redesign in the past several years. Definitely have vloggers in mind. So let's just get into this. This is their bundle, so it comes, this is their accessory bundle. Just keep looking at this. Try to take this out as carefully as I can. Not messing it up too bad. All right, so here it is. Let's take a look. All right, man, very nice. All right, so let's take out the GoPro itself. Man, look at this. It is definitely, I think they said it's 10% bigger, which offers the ability to have a 30% longer battery life depending on the mode you record in. But hey, 30% longer for some stuff, that's going to be fantastic. So yeah, larger batteries and stuff like that. So your old batteries will not fit in here anymore. As you can see, it's much larger size. So this bundle comes with 2 batteries, which is great. Definitely need to get a charger for this. Same kind of swivel arms as before. So I mean, it'll hook up to your other stuff. Let's see here. This is very nice. I thought it was extendable, but I guess it's just that. So I guess this just slides on here. That's actually pretty good. It's got like a foam grip. It's probably great for, water sports especially. But anything, it's very lightweight, so you're not really lugging around something heavy. All right, let's see what else we got in here. So this looks like, okay, this is that magnetic clip they were talking about. So I guess this can magnet onto things. That's actually probably going to be pretty cool to use. Looks like here we've got some cords. Let's see here. Very nice packaging. GoPro always does a good job with their packaging. All right, so obviously your charger cable, USB-C. You've got some different connections. Hook onto that clip. Hook onto your regular stuff. Let's see what else in here. So we've got the 2 batteries, all this stuff. Let's see here. 32 gig card. I can't do a ton of recording on that, but hey, it's something. All right, so you've got your usual kind of stuff. Subscribe to GoPro, which I already have. A fun manual that you'll never read. Lots of cool stuff. Another neat thing about this is that it does 1080p like live stream, so you can actually stream from this, and that's a pretty cool feature. I doubt any of these batteries are going to be charged, but you never know. Let's see. Let's take a look. There we go. Wow. Okay. So yeah, you get a charged battery, maybe. Okay, so it's only a 12% battery, but hey, still cool to be able to turn it on. That's a pretty neat thing. Set that down. So I mean, it comes with a lot of nice stuff for not a bad price. I got mine for $349.99 with the subscription. Standard, they're $499. They've done some improvements with the mics, adding some wind noise stuff. It's really, I think, centered around being for vloggers and trying to compete with some of the stuff that's coming out in the market. I definitely like the fact that the battery's larger. Sucks that you can't use your old batteries, but hey, I mean, this is a good upgrade for GoPro to do, and you know, set the standard for having some larger capacity stuff. So that's pretty cool. Definitely like this grip. Interested to try it out. I've got the other extendable grip from GoPro that came in the Karma kit. I like that one a lot. I like the range it has, but this is a nice lightweight option. So this was the bundle. I think it's pretty worth getting, and I'm excited to get some footage with this and check it out. So please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you want to know any other information about the GoPro, let us know in the comments, and we'll get you the best info we can.